Go.
Okay, so let's say Nick drives in a 100-foot circle. So after that, we know that if we are trying to find the diameter of the circle, it is a line straight through the middle that crosses through the center of the circle. And for the equation of the diameter, it is diameter times pi equals the circumference. And to get the diameter by itself, you have to divide by pi on each side. And that leaves us with the diameter equaling about 31.8 feet.
Alright, so we know that the diameter is 31.8, and we're still going to use our 100-foot circle that Nick drove in. And let's say that I want to go from the center of the circle to a point up here in a straight line. And by definition, that is the radius. The radius is from the center to the outside of the circle. It's the length of the line. So there's two ways you can find out the radius. You can either take your diameter and divide it by 2, and you get your radius, which would be about 15.9. Or you could do the mathematical way, like the equational way, of 2 r pi is equal to your circumference. So we want to divide by 2, and then divide by pi, and we get about 15.92, and that's not exactly half of 31.8, but since we're rounding numbers, the numbers aren't always going to be exact.
Alright, so to find the circumference, we're going to need to backtrack. The circumference is the distance around the circle. Now this is the radius, this is the diameter. Now we can do this one of two ways. We can either do 2 pi r equals circumference. And then we need to plug it in. So 2 pi, and then take 15.2, and 92. Alright, then we put the 2 into 15, and we would get 31.84. Then finally, put the pi into 31.84, you get 100.